Today, we're diving into the world of science fiction that's becoming reality. 3D printing hair follicles. Forget wigs and hair plugs, folks. The future of hair loss treatment might involve tiny printers and bio-ink. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what researchers at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute are working on. Imagine this: scientists take skin and hair follicle cells, grow them in a lab, and then mix them with special materials to create a kind of bio-ink. This ink is then loaded into a high-tech 3D printer with a super-thin needle. The printer carefully builds layer upon layer of skin, incorporating tiny channels for the hair cells. Over time, these channels become real hair follicles, mimicking the natural structure of your scalp. Hair loss affects millions of people worldwide, for various reasons. And while hair transplants exist, they're not always ideal. They can be expensive, leave scars, and might not even work for everyone. 3D printed hair follicles could revolutionize the game. Here's why. Imagine burn victims getting back not just skin, but also hair with these printed follicles. It could even be used for wound healing and scar reconstruction. These printed follicles could provide a more accurate platform for testing hair growth drugs than traditional methods, accelerating the development of new treatments. In the future, scientists might be able to 3D print new hair follicles using your own cells, eliminating the need for donor hair. Talk about personalized medicine. Of course, this technology is still in its early stages. There are challenges to overcome, like making the printed skin survive longer and actually growing hair. But the potential is undeniable. Think about it, a future where hair loss is a thing of the past, thanks to tiny 3D printers and bio-ink. It might sound like science fiction, but it's a future that's getting closer every day. So, what do you think about 3D printed hair follicles? Would you try it? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science goodness. Thanks for stopping by, and see you all on the next video.